This breakfast is easy, quick, and everyone will love it. To start, with the help of a knife, remove the center from 4 slices of sandwich bread. Set aside the crusts as they will be used as the base. In a frying pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter and place the crusts to toast. Now, slice half of a red bell pepper into small pieces. Do the same with half of a green bell pepper. And also with half of a yellow bell pepper. The result will be a colorful and vibrant combination. Next, finely chop 1 whole onion into small pieces, the perfect size for the filling. In a bowl, crack 3 whole eggs and add the bell peppers, onion, parsley and chives to taste. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Mix everything well with the help of a whisk. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix again. Add 3 fluid ounces of milk and continue mixing until you achieve a smooth batter. Pour part of the mixture inside the bread crusts in the frying pan. Add 1 3/4 ounces of mozzarella cheese into each crust. Complete with the rest of the mixture. Cover the frying pan and let it cook for 5 minutes. With the help of 2 spoons, flip the bread so it cooks and browns evenly. Cook for another 5 minutes. And it's done. Our egg-filled sandwich bread is ready. A delicious and practical option for your breakfast. Let us know in the comments what you think, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like our video. Not part of our channel yet? Click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming recipes.